So you discovered Aquascape on the internet.
He thought he could do this all by himself.
Maybe a smaller version.
So we're gonna go see a customer from a couple years ago that we built an amazing pondless waterfall, kind of like a moat in front of his front yard. We met this client through another resource of ours, outdoor kitchen company that builds for us, and they referred us to this guy. He's a doctor, but you wouldn't believe it. He likes to do everything like himself. So the only thing he couldn't achieve is doing the water feature.
Yeah.
Right? We came out here last night to move a palm tree. We're going to be expanding this water feature, possibly one in the back.
Isn't that great? So this is one of the things is, how many times do you build a water feature for a customer and then you come back and make it bigger or make more?
Exactly. Well, a lot, because it's kind of an addiction for most people.
It's an addiction, even for me. Okay, let's go check this out. So this is a 4-year-old pond that you're going to expand.
Yes. This is actually a fun one. We had to set this really, I think it was like a 4,000-pound boulder bridge. So it was
wow, that is cool.
Pretty neat piece, yeah. I think it's like a 700-gallon reservoir. 700-gallon reservoir. I think we might have 2 pumps on this because we got a couple pots that are running up by the front door as well. Just kind of create little stream effects.
Awesome.
And lots of big boulders.
Yeah. Check this out.
He's building the garage over here. He's going to put an actual driveway that comes off. He bought from the HOA, he bought all this property to the right here. He bought it just to have it. Yep, for $200.
Not bad.
Just to landscape it and do awesome stuff out there.
So you moved this, so Sean, last night you moved that tree?
Yes, we moved this tree. We actually had our big front loader here. I was down in the ditch because the tree used to be over there.
Oh, okay.
I was down in the ditch with the skid steer. We had the excavator on this side helping to pull it too. So we just lifted it up with one chain and then I pushed it all the way over down the ditch.
What kind of tree is this?
Sylvester, triple Sylvester.
Beautiful. We don't have them in Chicago.
No, everyone knows it.
So did you do the whole landscape here?
Not the front. I mean, we installed lighting too. We installed, I think, 21 lights total just for landscape lighting, not including our pond lights.
Oh, wow. New patio too, huh?
New patio. Pond's a week old. Took just over a week to finish what you see here today. Landscape, hardscape, a pond that stretches 40 feet long, one side of the yard to the other. We got about 8-foot stream, 6,000 biofall. We got a beautiful rock bridge going over it that we set on top of Stonegate inside the pond over a fish tunnel.
Cool bridge. Let's check out the view from inside. The most important thing is the view from inside the house. Oh yeah. Listen to that sound. Wow. And you got a 4,000 to 8,000 gallon per hour pump so you can dial it up or dial it down. Okay, let's roll. So there's the biofalls. When the plants grow up, it'll completely hide it.
So
So this project is about a 20-foot stream upon this waterfall with about 4 feet of elevation. We don't really have 4 feet of elevation in Jacksonville usually, so this was a fun one to build. We have a spill bowl on the top that feeds the waterfall. We have a circle patio on the bottom, and then we have 10 aqua blocks in the bottom. We used about 10 to 12 tons of rock. We built this one back in August, so it's still freshly new. Selling price was right around $15,000.
Man, so he's on a swamp, huh?
Oh, right off the swamp. Wetlands, look at
I love it though. Holy cow! Wow! He literally.
right on the swamp.
You have gators walking in his backyard. That is cool. Is there a pond here? I got to see that too. That is so neat. This is awesome.
Yeah, well, if it gets away a little bit, it'll be better.
You ever have gators come up and visit you?
No gators, no gators. No, but lots of birds, woodpeckers.
I'm the pond guy, Greg.
Greg, Andy.
Yeah, hi Andy. Hello.
My wife, Arisha.
Hi, Arisha.
Yes.
Okay, that's an unusual name.
Yeah.
This is so cool. I'm from Chicago. So I don't have anybody that has swamps in their backyards. So who is it that wanted the water feature? Yeah? You're the
He's always talked about having, just, he wanted the sound.
I wanted the
The
sound.
sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like we don't need a pool. There's umpteen pools to pick from here, so rather than a pool, we figured
Yeah.
why not have a
So
water.
were you happy with your experience with Earthworks?
Earthworks did a great job.
How did you find them?
I don't even remember whether I
Yeah.
searched for ponds and waterfalls. And
So you discovered Aquascape on the internet.
He thought he could do this all by himself.
maybe a smaller version.
So you found Aquascape, found a certified Aquascape contractor. You came out, Jason, and yeah, outstanding.
So yeah, it worked out great.
Yeah, that's
we-
good.
A lot of our friends have been over and enjoyed it.
Oh, is this a guy from Michigan?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he's like, oh, this guy's cool. He gave me some beer, you know, some Michigan beer. What do you got in here?
Petoskey stones.
So what's Petoskey stones?
Town of
Bay
Petoskey.
Harbor, Petoskey.
They're 400 million year old coral.
Oh,
It's only found in that area.
Here's one.
really?
I got a polished one. That's unpolished.
Oh, I could see it. Yeah, that does look like coral. I could see the veins in there. Yeah, that is really cool.
That's
We're
what a
getting a little
polished.
slangy.
Yeah. We can get an iron for that. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, you could really see it in that one. Yeah, that's like petrified coral.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 400 million years old. It's the only place you can find it is kind of in northern Michigan. So we kind of brought back a little bit of home.
That's what I love to hear. I love to hear people customizing. And so what was the actual impetus? You wanted the sound of water in your backyard. Did you have...
And be able to drink coffee and out here and every day of the year.
Yeah, it's the lifestyle. Number one thing is you want to be able to enjoy it. You can see the newspaper right here, the sound of the water feature right there, the view. That's a very inviting spot to read the paper. Here's what's very typical and most amazing. This is not a very deep yard. It's probably 30 feet. That's what it looked like when they came in. For me, I'll take this yard any day over just grass. In fact, grass is the largest agricultural crop in America, and it is the least viable. It's just aesthetic. And when I think of aesthetics, I think of that. He likes that.
All right, the boss is here. Don't tell him that.